Hello guys and welcome to How To tutorial. So today in this video I will show you guys how to extend Zoom meeting time limit. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open your Zoom application and make sure that you are logged in. While on Zoom meeting, time period for a particular meeting is 40 minutes. A free Zoom account has 40 minutes of time limits for each session. If you want to increase the time limit, then you can upgrade your Zoom app to Zoom One Pro. For that, what you need to do is tap on more on the bottom right corner, and here on the top you will get to see upgrade now, try Zoom One Pro. Tap it. From here you will get to see two plans, a monthly plan and an annual plan. You can choose one of them according to your preference. Select a plan, and after you select the plan, you will need to provide your credit card or debit card details to be charged according to your plan, which is $14.99 per month. Along with time extending, Zoom One Pro has more features as well, like up to 30 hours per meeting, unlimited number of meetings, assigned host and co-host, cloud recording up to 5 GB. It is different with both plans. If you do not want to go to Zoom One Pro, then what you can do is you can create a new meeting. Towards the end of the 40 minutes, simply close the meeting and restart it again with same meeting, same link and same ID, and you can ask all the attendees to rejoin again, and you will again have another 40 minutes for the meeting. This is the method that you can apply as often as needed, and for the better, it's recommended to go to Zoom One Pro. So this was it for today guys, a very easy and simple process. I hope you all guys like the video, and if you guys find the video helpful, then do not forget to like and subscribe the channel. Also hit the bell icon to get more updates.